Why is this potato heavier than my life choices? Ugh.
Stop complaining.
Pull! So this becomes a bun?
Yes. Welcome to carbs. This is the healthy part, right?
Don't get used to it.
Hi.
Are you sure it won't kick?
Relax. It's just milk.
One fry equals one serving.
Cut faster.
It's bubbling like crazy.
Woo! That means it's working.
We're basically cheese scientists now.
Hey,
Whoa.
don't mess this up.
Huh. Fresh buns hit different.
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
More pepper? More pepper?
Always more. Don't drop it, don't drop it.
Focus. This is beautiful.
Oh, what?
Stay focused. Stay focused.
Easy, easy, easy. Why? Bam.
Perfect. Let go. Worth it. Woo!
Why'd I judge every bite?
Every Nate Brees Rolls Royce eggs.